Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show and feature my loadout, fully done, fully customized, fully painted. It is 100% done now. I'm going to show what's in the box, and here we go. As you can see on the outside here, fully painted and customized rifle case. It's an Apache 9800 tan that I turned into this. You'll see there's a full video of the complete, from start to finish, how to do this paint job and to get this patina weathered look. All right, and as you can see inside, I've got my MG C4 from Airsoft GI. They have a Mark 1, Mark 2, and Mark 3. This is the Mark 3 that I bought from them. NSR stock. This is the whole reason I went with the Mayo Gang theme, because this was made by Lancer Tactical. It's basically their Gen 4, but it was made exclusively for Airsoft GI, Cisco and his gang. You can see they've got a engraved lettering there with the Mayo Gang, and that's Cisco on there. This is a full metal build. Love this gun. It is heavy. It is definitely heavy. Mind you, this whole loadout sets in kaizen foam that I have another video of how I cut everything. That's a short. Got the magnifier red dot scope that I customized and painted with a weather look to match the gun. And then I got 6 of these magazines that I painted. 6 magazines custom painted also to match the gun. I had water slide decals made with the same logo that is engraved on the gun itself, Mayo Gang, and that's Cisco, so it's basically the same thing as the engraving. And I finished a clear coat with 2K clear with the hardener. And I got my speed loader, and then I've got the tracer. I've got a tracer that actually acts as muzzle fire on the end. It lights up every time a BB comes out. And then I had to get an extension to put my tracer onto the gun. That is all cut, custom cut. And then I got my flashlight. That is custom painted as well. And then I got another cutout battery case, charger. And then this is just to hold all of my tools, Allen wrenches, etc. that goes with it. I just thought that'd be good to put that in with this. So yeah, this is my full loadout, totally done. I have not taken it out to the field yet. I plan on going out soon to an indoor range in Medina, Ohio, MK. So yeah, this is it, guys. Hope this is not too boring. I just wanted to share a little video of it totally done. I wish I would have done a video of the whole entire thing, but I didn't. I didn't start doing the videos of the custom weathering until I got to this Apache case. All right, guys, thanks for joining in. I appreciate it.